And we're back. Today we're off on an adventure. We've just checked out at the Holiday Inn Express behind us and we're off to a place called Callandar with our good friends in crxbulldogs on Instagram. Check them out. We're off on an adventure though, guys, and we're going to a place called Brachlin Falls. We've never been there before, so join us today. We'll see what we see. Let's go. And we've arrived in the car park. This is the start of the trail to Brachlin Falls. We've got Ryan and Chloe, aka crxbulldogs, and we're gonna walk, see what this is like. I've never been here before, so let's go, guys. Let's check it out. I'm excited. I hope you are. I've stopped for a moment here just to show you guys this. That looks like it's taken straight out of Lord of the Rings. Beautiful woodland area. Let us know what you think. So far, this is pretty cool. There's little streams along the side of the path. Really beautiful walk so far. And from what I've seen online, it gets better. So we're still on the footpath. We just seen a sign and it says a quarter mile till Brachlin Falls. We can already hear it though, and I can actually see it. I'm really impressed with what I can see, so when we get down, I'll show you this, because it's beautiful. We've arrived at the first part of Brachlin Falls. I need to watch my footing because it is steep up here. But I'll show you down below, and look at that. I'll pan around just so you can see it. The video does this no justice, but this just again solidifies to me how beautiful is Scotland. There's some other families over there enjoying the waterfalls as well, but this is gorgeous. Amazing, guys. Now this here is called Brachlin Bridge. Down below there's the waterfall. It is really loud, so I hope you can hear me, but that's like something out of a film. Bridge to Brachlin Falls. Play on words there. What do you guys think of that? If that doesn't make you want to visit Scotland, you must be crazy. Comment down below though. What do you think of this? Honestly, I'm impressed. My first time here, and I'm loving it. we've stopped at the top of the hill here and we've just had a thought to ourselves. Who's seen Twilight? If you know, you know. The dogs are loving it. Everyone else is loving it. It's really warm though. It's not actually warm, it's freezing. But because everything's so uphill, we're sweating. The jacket's off. Onward. We've continued the trail and we're at the end of the forest. If you look back, I thought this was really spooky. But when you pan around and continue up the path, the view from here is amazing. You'll notice watching our channel, I've got a thing about views. I absolutely love them. And this is stunning. Look at that. It's not a sunny day. It's a bit overcast, cloudy, but at least it's not raining again. It's nice, dry, and just up here there's apparently a little bench we can sit and have a picnic. So we'll continue up the path and stop for a bite to eat, because we're all needing it. I'll pan around one last time for everyone to see because I just love this. And again, that view back into the forest. We're at the top of the trail here and Ryan was right, there's a bench. So we're going to stop and have a bite to eat. I hope you've liked what you've seen because that was brilliant. It was quite long and very tiring, so I recommend bringing some snacks when you get to that bench and having a nice little break in the middle. But honestly, come check it out. You'll need a car probably to get here. There is buses that go to Callandar, but yeah, come check out Brachlin Falls if you get the opportunity, and if not, I hope you like what we've shown you anyway, because that was stunning. We had such good fun, especially with the dogs. It's a great walk if you've got dogs. If you've got kids that enjoy walking, then yeah, bring them along and go on an adventure. So that's what life's all about. So we've been Forest Thrills, and again, thanks for watching. If you can, sub down below and drop a little thumbs up on the video for us. Thanks guys.